Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to turn on instant answer in DuckDuckGo app on an Android device. While knowing how to turn on instant answers in DuckDuckGo can enhance your search experience by providing quick and relevant information directly in the search result. So, by enabling instant answers, you can get immediate answers to your queries without having to click on individual search result. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, go ahead and open DuckDuckGo app on your device. Okay, next you can open any website and then look for this icon. Tap on it. Well, and now select all settings option. After that, turn this toggle on. Okay, so now the instant answer is successfully active. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn on instant answers in DuckDuckGo app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.